Greetings, this is Karni Zor with your weekly astrological forecast, and this time I'm broadcasting for amazing Egypt. And what you actually see here behind me is the Great Pyramid of Giza, which is absolutely amazing. So we're here for 10 days now. The journey just started. We're visiting Cairo and the pyramids, and tomorrow we're continuing to look. So if you haven't joined already, you can actually join this journey online and get all the videos of the places, the processes, the meditations that we're doing there. The way to join it, there is a link, you can press it and you can register and join the closed Facebook group dedicated to that and get the videos. So we're doing it's not that you need to connect it Zoom. We're doing the videos as we go. We upload them and you can see it anytime you want, and it's absolutely amazing. There's already some amazing materials there. So this is about the online journey and the actual journey that takes place here. And now a few words about the weekly astrological forecast. So as always, so much is going on in the skies, and by the way, you can see the full moon behind me. But I really want to focus today on a special thing in the astrological chart of these days, and this is the conjunction between Uranus and the true node. So Uranus is the planet of originality. It reminds us that each one is unique and has his special gifts, his unique fingerprint, the gifts that he or she are here to give to the world. And the true node is the karmatic point of the chart. So when the two meet, and this only happens once a year, now is the time. This is the time to remember to bring, sorry, it doesn't happen once a year. It happens once every 12 years, which is absolutely amazing. My confusion. So having it happen this week is very, very big. It's a big thing, and it gives us lots of power to remember what is our original uniqueness, what we're here to do, and to find these gifts and give them to the world. And whilst we're looking for the originality, the true node, the other part that I was talking about, it reminds us that we sometimes need to break through our own glass ceilings, to go out of the different boxes we're in, mental boxes, emotional boxes, boxes of things that we heard during our childhood or the culture around us. The true node talks about the breakthroughs that we need to do. It sometimes comes with great challenges, but breaking this glass ceiling and overcoming the challenges are exactly what allows us to manifest our reality and to bring our uniqueness and brightness out to the world. So this is the time to make sure that you remember what is your originality, what are the gifts that you're here to bring to the world, and see what you can do to break out of some boxes if needed in order to manifest your uniqueness and bring your gifts to the world. So this journey continues. I will send you some pictures, and please join this journey online so you can get all the amazing content from the days that we're spending here. I'll leave you the link, and have a wonderful time, and I'll see you next week also from Egypt, because this journey has just begun. Goodbye.